How to change default browser on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change default browser on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to install your preferred browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Brave. Simply you'll have to install it from the App Store. After that, go to the settings. From settings, simply you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From the app section, find out your application or browser whom you want to set as your default browser. Simply you'll have to find out that. After that, simply tap on that. Now from here, you can get the option for default browser. Simply tap on default browser app. From here, you can choose that application or browser as you can set it for default browser on your iPhone. Simply select and you'll be able to change default browser on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.